Me and Ace finally made it. Say hey. Hey. Oh, he sounds a little thirsty, but he's not believing. He has plenty of water. So I gotta finish eating my little pasta first before we go anywhere because I'm a little hungry for lunch. He's so excited and ready to go. I feel you. I feel you. I feel you. But I don't know if you're really gonna like it because it's like a mile hike to the waterfalls. So we're gonna be ready, right, baby? Let's eat lunch. Me and Ace's first hike to the waterfalls. This will be an adventurous first hike for him. Hey, come on. Come on. They said it's 1 mile, but I don't think it is. Well, they said it's a bunch of them. So let's check it out. Ooh, they got a porta potty. Okay, let's go. Don't forget the cliff signs. Okay, wait a minute. Let's go this way. Okay. Apparently there's cliffs. Here's one. But apparently there's a really big one. Let's go find it. Ace, come on. So these are the wooden steps they were referring to. Come on, baby, you can do it. And they said follow the wooden steps to go down. And then about 10 minutes down, it's a nice waterfall. So let's go. Come on, baby, you can do it. My dog's bougie. She doesn't really like the rocks. So this is called, Enders Falls State Forest. Oh, wow, look at that waterfall. It's just so beautiful. Oh. Wow. You can actually go in that one. It's a little lakey thing. Wow, natural swimming pool. That water looks so nasty. But I'm glad to see other people in it. Come on, he's scared. I'm gonna take the video off in a second. Okay, so we made it to a waterfall and Ace is not about this life. He's not getting in. Look at, oh gosh. Water. Nice out here. Beautiful. Ace is over here looking big mad. Big mad. Look. I put him, oh look, Ace is another dog. I put him in the water and he was like, no. Why can't you be like that big dog? I know you see him. Yeah, watch and learn. I want to go over there, but I'm too sick in. That ain't probably going to work. Actually, I'm going to see how deep it is. Watch them go in first. Right there. Come on. Ace is ready. Look. Right. I ain't never seen my dog move this fast in my life. Wait for me. He is so ready to get out of here. He had about enough of me. I bet you next time you won't run out that door following me. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, wait for me. What the? I'm coming. So, you guys are not going to believe this. So, I'm chilling over here by a dam. You know, the water type of dams. And I found, check this out. 2 movies tonight at a drive-thru. What a perfect combo because I have my bedroom set up and my doggy. I'm going to cook dinner and everything. I'm going to show you guys in a minute, but just got here. Super excited. It was only $10. and we're gonna watch some pony movie, and then a movie I want to see called Nobody, and that movie starts at 10:45. $10. Okay, guys, super excited. Wanted to tell you. Here's my setup. So I don't think I'm supposed to be cooking and stuff, so I'm hiding it. But I'm boiling some water for my mac and cheese and my hot dog that I'm getting ready to make. And then after I'm done, look at my little setup, my baby. After I'm done, I'm gonna lift this whole hatchback up for movie night after I eat. So movie night doesn't start till 8:45, and I can't get the radio station. Like, they play it off of some kind of radio transmitter, but I can't do that on my phone, and I don't want my car battery to die. So I got a slight dilemma. But anyway, yeah, this is my primitive stove. See that? This is like so dangerous. I know, guys. I always do dangerous stuff. Don't tell. I'm just waiting. Oh my God. Hey, Ace. Hey. You know, Ace gotta be in my video 24/7. Okay, so this is my new setup. I actually ended up having a really bad night. My back was hurting, so I went to Walmart and got a new comforter, a nice thick comforter. But listen to this, look at this. 3-inch memory foam. I had to cut it because it was too long, but twin size, it was $60. Totally worth it. Like, traveling and not sleeping is not good. It's like, it messes your whole vacation up. Having a restless night will mess your vacation up. So anyway, I got some nice plants to go along. I do have some pictures too. See, this one is Worry Less and Smile More, I guess it was. And then this one, behind the bushes, of course, is Dream On. So I have my bathroom, my tripod. I actually have a kitchen set up in the front, but I also wanted to show you this. Look where I'm at. Look at these views, baby. Just look at them. Seriously. Anyway, and Ace, of course, is a little hot, I'm assuming. Smart doggy. So, yeah, I'll have to show you the kitchen again, but yeah, this is the setup I've been meaning to show you. But I also upgraded it, like this morning, just got done. I even have my order. Yeah. Amazon, guys. Say good morning, Ace. Say good morning. Hey. Say good morning. Hello. Alright. Say hello, Ace. Hey. Alright, so we are going to try some new food today. It's called the Classic Crafted Meal. Hopefully he eats this. I'm going to have some eggs and orange juice next to my car shine. But we are in the New York restaurant. And boy, am I ready to go home. Oh no, I actually might hit the beach. Right, we might hit the beach today. We might, I don't know. It's been about 4 days now. So I ended up having to put my glasses on because my left eyes are tweaking like crazy. I'll probably look better with glasses on anyway. But I'm like trying to drive and stuff. But anyway, this is New York traffic. Awesome. Hold up. Oh, I can't show you. I guess I have to turn the camera around in a different video. But anyway, yeah, I had an amazing night of sleep. So I don't know, like I had a really rough night, you know, the first 2 nights. So last night was the best because I finally got to sleep on my 3-inch memory foam from Walmart. 3-inch memory foam from Walmart. So, like, it just makes a major difference if you can sleep at night because you just wake up feeling amazing. I swear, I woke up playing music and feeding my dog and just like brush teeth, orange juice. It was a whole vibe. I mean, it's still like, that was literally like 30 minutes ago. I mean, I'm vibing, but the traffic is killing my vibes. New York traffic, whatever. But I don't know if you can hear this thing. It's okay, that's probably better for you guys. I don't know if you heard that. Okay, you know what? Oh gosh, I wish I did that in the beginning of the video. But yeah, let me take this video off. Hold on. Okay, so the video was fine. I'm tripping. So anyway, yeah. So yeah, it's all vibe. I'm feeling good. Like I got some eggs I have not eaten yet. So I'm gonna eat my eggs. I boiled 4 eggs in my little pink rice cooker. You guys should know dearly. It's my baby. And I actually had to buy a carton of eggs. It was only $1, but I only needed like 4. So I ended up throwing the other eggs away, which I'm realizing is a mistake. I shouldn't have did that because I should have just boiled all of the eggs and kept them in the fridge for a snack. Yeah, well, you know, anyway, lesson learned. But yeah, I ate 2 yesterday. I'm gonna eat 2 today. Oh shoot. Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna eat 2 today, 2 yesterday, and yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm trying to decide if we're going to the beach. Ace looks really exhausted. He always looks exhausted, like he did an 8-hour shift or something. I don't know what's up with him. But yeah, getting ready to show you the traffic. The car literally isn't moving that much. Yeah, welcome to New York. Good morning, New York. I've never really been to New York. I have to turn my hand off. Okay, so look, I guess these are the apartments. Well, that one, smoke coming from that one. Could be on fire, who knows. But yeah, I've heard about these large, not large, but these really high buildings in New York. I'm just not saying on New York. I think it's overrated. I really do. No offense, I'm a New Yorker. I'm a Philly girl, you know, I'm Philly, so it's just the thing when you're that I never. Maybe because I never really visited that, so probably that's probably why. I don't know if you just see me attempt to put the camera back, but that didn't work out too well. So anywho, I guess I should pay attention